back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So in this video, I partnered with Covergirl. Shout out to Covergirl for working with me on this look. This look was completely done with all Covergirl products. So your girl hooked it up with the drugstore tutorial. I know you guys love when I do videos like this because obviously the makeup is much more affordable, and I love doing videos like this that show you guys that you could execute a fierce, almost red carpet-y kind of look without breaking the bank. So I hope you guys are excited, just as excited as I was to film this for you guys. So I'm gonna cut the intro short and we're just gonna jump right into this tutorial and get started, guys. Starting with priming my face, I'm gonna go in with the Covergirl TrueBlend Base Business Skin Primer. I'm really loving this primer. It creates such a smooth canvas so that when you apply your foundation just looks really flawless. Next, to give my skin a more glowing undertone, I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with the Covergirl TrueBlend Pre-Touching Palette, and I'm going to take that yellow color corrector and apply that underneath my eyes. I haven't been sleeping well lately, so I needed some color corrector to kind of cancel out whatever darkness I have going on underneath my eyes. Moving on to my foundation, I'm going to go in with the Covergirl TrueBlend Matte Made Foundation in the color T30. This foundation is amazing. It's one of Covergirl's newest foundations. One thing I really love about it is that it's a flexible foundation, so it responds really well to face movements. I laugh a lot, so it works a lot in my favor. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer in the color Light. Once everything's blended out, I'm going to set my entire face with the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Powder in the color Classic Ivory. Now to contour my face, I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Chocolate Contour Palette. And this palette, let me tell you, is amazing. Between the contour color and the highlight colors, the pigment is absolutely amazing. It's so smooth. It's so blendable. Basically, everything you could want in a makeup product, and it's even better because it's affordable. Now on to highlighting my face. I'm going to take the more gold-based highlighter in this palette and apply it. Yes, you can see on camera right there how amazing it is. I'm going to be applying it to all of the high points of my face that I want to highlight more. Now moving on to my eyes, I'm going to prime my lids with the Covergirl Lid Lock Up Primer. Moving on to my eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the Covergirl TrueNaked Chocoholic palette, and I'm going to take the soft brown in this palette and apply it on my crease and a little bit over my lids. I'm going for a very soft, blown out chocolate smoky eye. You guys, have to buy this palette. It literally smells like chocolate. It is life. The pigment's amazing. It's easy to blend out. Love it. Next, I'm going to take that darker brown and apply it to the outer corner of my lid and blow it out a little bit past my brows. Now for my lid, I'm going to take that champagne color and apply that on the inner corner to the mid lid. Now I'm going back with the blending brush, making sure all of these colors are blending smoothly together. Then I'm just going to apply the same exact colors on the outside of my waterline. Right now, I'm applying the same highlighter I have on my face on the center of my lid. I kind of wanted to make them look a little wet. Then I'm going to go back in with that chocolate brown and create somewhat of a smoky liner. Now for my lashes, I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Lash Blast Amplify Primer, it's a little tongue twister, and the Flourish Mascara by Lash Blast. So basically the primer is just to create a little bit more volume and definition for when I apply my mascara. So this mascara is just basically a very buildable mascara. You're allowed to apply a few layers without having to deal with your lashes clumping together. That's something that bothers me a lot when it happens to my lashes. So I love that this mascara, I don't have to worry about that problem. Next, I'm going to take that champagne color again and just apply that on the inner corner for that highlight you guys know that I always need. And I forgot to apply blush because I got too excited to apply the highlighter. So I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Peach Punch Blush, and it literally smells just like peaches. And the pigment is ridiculous. This is just with one little swipe and you could already see how much color it gave me. For my brows, I'm going to be using the Covergirl Soft Brown Brow Pencil. Moving on to my lips, I'm going to be going in with the Exhibitionist lipstick, and this color I'm using is called Tempting Toffee. It's a very neutral color lipstick, and then I'm going to be going in with the color Seduce Scarlett. I really love how smoothly these lipsticks apply, and it leaves your lips feeling super moisturized. And I put the red in the center just to give it a more natural appeal. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to be setting my face with the Covergirl Look Lockup Setting Spray. After this, we are all set. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.